Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the Vivo T3 Ultra, a mid-range smartphone that's set to make waves. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. 1. Vivo T3 Ultra launch and availability. Mark your calendars. The Vivo T3 Ultra is launching on September 12th at 12 noon in India. You'll be able to grab it on Flipkart and Vivo's online store. Get ready to be amazed by what this phone has to offer. 2. Display and design. The Vivo T3 Ultra features a stunning 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. The display boasts a 120Hz refresh rate and an incredible peak brightness of 4500 nits. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, this display is sure to impress. The phone is just 0.758 centimeters thick and comes in a sleek green color, with more options expected at launch. 3. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Vivo T3 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor, paired with 12GB of RAM and an additional 12GB of extended RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming. With this powerhouse, you won't experience any lag or slowdowns. 4. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is where things get interesting. The Vivo T3 Ultra features a 50MP Sony IMX921 primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide camera on the rear. For selfies, there's a 50MP front camera. Capture stunning photos and videos with ease, whether it's a wide landscape or a close-up shot. 5. Vivo T3 Ultra battery and charging. The Vivo T3 Ultra 5G is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 80W fast charging, getting you back up and running in no time. 6. Pricing and final thoughts. The Vivo T3 Ultra is expected to be priced between 30,000 rupees and 35,000 rupees, making it a competitive option in the mid-range segment. With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. Conclusion. So, is the Vivo T3 Ultra the mid-range phone for you? With its top-notch specs and competitive pricing, it might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.